What's going on, guys? Alright, real quick, I wanted to jump in here and just do a fast update type video. I'm gonna try to do this in one take because I would rather upload it from my phone just so I can go ahead and get it to the YouTubes a little bit quicker. I don't necessarily think that I'm gonna try and edit anything on this or anything like that. So what I've been doing is just quick progress. Got the windshield there installed, looking nice. I've got all the trim that goes on there. I got to clean it and polish it, but I'm gonna wait because I think I'm gonna end up doing a little bit of body work. You can see all the little hail damage dings, and then I've obviously got my got a few rust holes here and there that need to be addressed in the worst way. There's a couple little holes down there. Back glass is reinstalled. I did walk around here real quick, and I did get the window sweeps on the outside put on just to kind of stabilize the windows a little bit, and the interior. Let's see if we can get a good shot here. The interior is pretty much complete. You know, it don't look too bad. Headliner's in. I found a cheap rear view mirror at AutoZone for like $16, so went ahead and threw that on there because, you know, why spend $54 for one? A mirror is a mirror. It's going to allow me to see backwards. That's all I care about. I got my sun visors are put in and installed. Here we go. Well, it's a little close, but yeah. The visors are in. All the trim is in. All the gauges work. Headlights all work. The cruise doesn't because I deleted that. No longer have cruise, but cigarette lighter works. The clock worked for probably about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, and that's where it stopped after I put the dash in. So, oh well, you can't win them all. So I'll be happy with that anyways. I mean, that's pretty good. See, glove box light works. I don't know if you can see in there, but it does work. Cigarette lighter. Woo. It works. It's pretty cool. I'll never use it, but, well, maybe I will. Maybe I'll hook like a phone charger or something in there. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. I got the dome light fixed. You guys saw the video of the horn put in. The seats need to be reupholstered still. I pulled out the vinyl fixer 3000 right there and kind of patched up that hole, so that came out okay. It's, you know, I mean, not to brag, but that's professional grade right there. I would probably ride that for years and years. I haven't put my door panels in, obviously, because I'm gonna do body work and stuff here pretty soon, I'm thinking. So, you know, come on, focus, baby. There we go. So I got to get these door handles taken off because I'm going to change those, and the best way to get to them is from the inside of the door. So I'm not going to put those on yet. Get up underneath the hood here, and let's see, I'll get you a flashlight going. So what I've been doing today is, as you can see over there where the light's shining, I took the air conditioner out. It was making some god-awful noises. The compressor was over there, and you know, it's not working anyway, so I would really hate for that thing to lock up while I was trying to drive. you know, just lock up and do some damage for something that's not even functioning. So went ahead and took it off. I got a whole lot of room here now to work on stuff and get in there and tinker. I got the carb dialed in how I want it. It's doing pretty good. Fuel pressure regulator is over there to dial back the pressure. These Edelbrocks, they like to run about 5 psi, so that mechanical fuel pump, after I replaced it, it was pumping about 8 to 9. So that's not good. But anyways, once I got in here and took the AC off, of course you got to take your power steering pump and everything else. You got to get the belts out of the way to get that belt for the AC off. And when I started doing that, my power steering pump started leaking. Decided it wanted to start leaking at that seal behind the pulley. So that should be fun. Now I need to replace the power steering pump. What's next, right? It's always something. I don't guess this car is going to be happy until every piece of it is replaced. So that's kind of the direction we're going, I think. But you see all the droplets on my wheel well. That's from the pulley slinging power steering pump or power steering fluid up here. It's just making a mess. So we'll take care of it. We'll get it. I mean, we'll keep on going, right? That's all we can do. Oh, I got. See if I can get you guys down here. I got my exhaust installed right down there. It's kind of loud, so I don't know. It does a lot of droning inside the car. We may end up running some out and over the axle and putting some tips on it just to kind of quiet it down a little bit, because boy, it's loud. It does sound good, but it's loud. Let's see if we can get this sucker started up here. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, buzzer works. Door buzzer. Fasten seat belt. Let's give it 2 pumps. Ooh, she doesn't like that. Maybe a couple more. Oh, there's that power steering pump. It's slinging fluid everywhere and the belt's slipping. There it is. Back here. So she's loud, but man, she still sounds good. Good and quiet up here in the engine compartment, like that. You can see we're running, well, maybe not. There you go. You can see we're running about a little over 5 psi on the fuel. It's doing good. It's doing good. She's idling okay. So, anyways, that's about all I got for you right now, guys. I'm gonna do a little fancier video probably here in the next week or so of, you know, I'll do some driving and get you guys out there on the road with me, let you see how it does. You know, we'll do all the music and all that jazz and make it all fun and groovy and looking cool, you know. But right now, just a quickie update video just to keep you guys in the loop. Anyway, hope everybody's staying safe. Y'all have a good night, and we'll see you on the next one.